everyone. Today let's start with chapter number 10 in the times of emergency. जब emergency का जैसे आपकी drought आ जाती है, earthquake आ जाता है. So let's study about some natural disaster. So what are natural calamities? जैसे आपका earthquake, storms, floods, cyclones, drought, volcanic eruption and epidemics. What are these? These all are some natural calamities. So what is earthquake? Earthquake are among the most serious natural disaster. So we can say an earthquake is a sudden violent movement of the earth's surface. They are caused by the collision of the plates of rocks under the earth. And this collision causes shock waves. So ground को क्या करता है वाइब्रेट हो. Earthquake cause a huge loss of lives and property. हमें बहुत लॉस हो जाता है लाइफ का प्रॉपर्टी का. Even strong building bridges sky scrapers are damaged by the earthquake. So what are precaution? Do not panic if you are indoor. Get under a bed or a heavy table, right? So do not use the lift if you are outdoor. Stay away from buildings and trees. जो buildings होती है बड़ी बड़ी trees होती है उनसे आपको दूर रहना है. And at home keep the first aid kit ready along with water and dry food. Wear shoes to avoid getting cuts and brushes from the broken. Okay. Now what is tsunami? It means the harbor wave. When severe earthquake occur underwater, huge waves called tsunami are big. These waves occur at the time of 30-meter high and can travel at the speed between 250 to 900 किलोमीटर पर आवर. यहाँ पे जो डिस्ट्रक्शन होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. कहाँ? कोस्टल एरिया. If we talk about cyclone and hurricanes, a cyclone is a violent wind which moves in circular form. ये क्या develop over the sea and a great threat of the people living in the coastal area. Strong winds uproot trees and cause destruction. और जो cyclone होता है, they tear away walls and they blow off roof. The wind speed of can reach higher than 100 km per hour. So what are precautions? Pay close attention to cyclone and tsunami alerts. Move to higher areas and stay away from sea, trees and buildings. Wear warm and waterproof clothes. So waterproof bag भी होना चाहिए जिससे अपने फूड वगैरह को प्रॉपरली स्टोर करके रख सको एट द टाइम ऑफ इमरजेंसी. नेक्स्ट इज फ्लड. समटाइम्स व्हेन रिवर्स ओवरफ्लो. तो कभी कभी क्या होता है कि जो रिवर्स होती है वो ओवरफ्लो हो जाती है. किसकी वजह से? एक्सेसिव रेन की वजह से फ्लड अकर हो जाता है. Lives are lost and properties destroyed. After the flood, disease such as malaria, cholera, typhoid and jaundice also claim many lives. Crops are destroyed, leading to famine. Crop destroy जाता है, उससे क्या हो जाता है? Famine हो जाता है. Now precaution. If you have time, move your important belongings to higher ground. You have to stay away from flood water as it may be contaminated or may harm our animals like snake and crocodiles. Right? Next is your drought. When there is no rain or very less rain for a long period of time. So जो लोग होते हैं people they do not have enough water this period called drought. ठीक है, सूखा पड़ जाना. ठीक है, जब आपको प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड हो जाता है, एरिस हो जाता है, पीपल स्टार्व एंड एनिमल्स आल्सो die because of thirst and hunger. Now we have epidemic disease. So epidemic disease, when a disease spread over a large region, infecting people and causing large number of deaths in very short time. इसको हम epidemic disease कहते हैं. So we can say to be safe and safe from these epidemics, the following measures should be taken. We should keep our surroundings free from insect and rodents. Drains should always be covered. Right? A regular spray of insecticide should be done. We should never allow water to stay in ditches. Instead, they should be filled with sand. किससे filled होना चाहिए? Sands. Right? Next is managing natural disaster. आप कैसे manage कर सकते हैं natural disaster को? It is our duty to hide one another at times of natural calamity. So government agencies, communities and voluntary organizations, they do a lot to bring relief to the people stuck by the natural calamity. Emergency services are provided by hospitals, fire brigades and police and the local branch of International Red Cross Society. So we can say the armed forces of the country, जो armed force है country की, they conduct rescue and relief operations, they clear roads, they distribute food and medicines. Police maintains law and many NGOs, that is non-governmental organizations, they also help many people. Right? The agencies of United Nations play an important role in a rehabilitation of affected people in India. And the United Nations Disaster Management Team है, जिसमें आपका यूनिसेफ होता है, यूनेस्को होता है, ILO इंटरनेशनल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, FAO फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड WHO वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. They provide help at times of need. With government agency, common people also come forward और ये victims को help करता है कब? At the time of disaster. फर्स्ट एड, द ट्रीटमेंट इज गिवन टू एन इंजर्ड और सिक पर्सन इन द इमरजेंसी, जिसको हम फर्स्ट एड कहते हैं. Here are some ways to deal with certain emergency. Like fire. If there is fire in a building, we should inform the nearest fire station. If the fire is caused by kerosene or petrol, we should never throw water. आपको ना तो water फेंकना है, right? And this is because petrol being lighter than water, it floats on water और वो burn होता रहता है. आपको sand फेंकना है. Now, if someone close catch fire, आपको उसको cover करना है या उसको नीचे floor पे lie down करना है, and this fans the flame and we should wrap the person with a thick blanket. राइट और आप अपना जो एयर सप्लाई उसको भी कट कर सकते हैं. If the fire has been caused by defective wiring or electric gadget, we should not throw water into it and switch off the main power supply. Now choking. A person can choke when the food enters her twin bed. देखो बहुत बड़ा मेरे धचका लग जाता है, उसे हम choking कह रहे हैं. So keep the victim's head lower than his chest and slap the person between her shoulder blades with the palm. आपको 5 to 6 times को करना है, मारना है. Burns. In case of minor burns, we should put cold water or ice cube on the burns. We should apply antigenic Bernol on the burnt area. In case of severe burn, blisters are firm. We should not prick them. We can dip a clean piece of cloth in a solution of baking soda or put it over a burnt part. Nose bleeding. Once nose bleeds, we should make the person sit upright, head back, and we should press the bleeding side of the nose. बट जिस साइड से ब्लीड हो रहा है ना उस साइड के आपको नोज को क्या करना, प्रेस कर. एंड बैक ऑफ वेट क्लोथ थ्रू द नोज ऑफ द पेशेंट एज द पेशेंट टू ब्रीथ थ्रू द माउथ एंड नॉट टू ब्लो द नोज. माउथ से सांस लो, ना कि हम ऐसे नोज से करते हैं ना, वो नहीं करना. नेक्स्ट इज स्प्रेन एंड फ्रैक्चर्स. ठीक है, व्हेन द टिश्यू अराउंड द जॉइंट गेट टॉर्न. So what happen? It is called sprain. It causes swelling. Apply a ice pack to a affected area till the swelling subsides. Next is a break in the bone is called fracture. Give support to the broken bone by putting a splint or a sling. Next is bounce, cuts and scratches. We should wash our hands with antiseptic soap before touching a wound. Then we should clean our affected area. आपको जो इतना भी affected है उसको cotton wool जो soap होती है, antiseptic lotion में उसको आपको apply करना है with a thick pad of cotton wool. And if the skin is cut with a dirty or rusty object, the germs may enter our body. And what it causes? A deadly disease called gritness. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.